Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Caterpillar for industrial investments easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, access your computer and open your web browser. In the search bar, type Caterpillar Industrial Investments and hit enter. Navigate to the official Caterpillar website. Look for the Investors section, typically found at the bottom of the homepage. Click on the Investors link to access detailed investment information. Explore the site for documents related to financial reports and investor presentations. Download the latest annual report for valuable insights into company performance. Review the financial data to understand Caterpillar's profitability and growth trends. Next, check out the stock performance under the Stock Information tab. Take note of the current stock price and historical performance charts. Consider setting up an account with a brokerage firm if you haven't done so. Research different brokerage platforms to find one that suits your investment needs. Once you've selected a platform, create an account by following the registration steps. After your account is set up, fund it according to your investment strategy. Now, return to the Caterpillar website and confirm the stock ticker symbol, which is CAT. In your brokerage account, navigate to the trading section. Enter the stock ticker symbol CAT in the search field. Decide how many shares you want to purchase. Place a market order for immediate execution or a limit order to control the price. Review your order details before confirming the transaction. Once purchased, monitor the performance of your Caterpillar shares regularly. Investigate quarterly earnings announcements to stay informed about the company's financial health. Consider joining investor communities or forums to discuss insights and strategies. Regularly evaluate your investment portfolio to align with your financial goals. Make adjustments as necessary based on Caterpillar's performance and market conditions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.